A lot of people are asking us, why are we in Mexico? What brought us here? It's the Jesus Christ who gave us the love for these people here. And we get those questions, it's violence in here, it's dangers in here. But when Jesus Christ sends you, He is with you and He is protecting you. Yeah, there was those moments when I ran into the, I would say, criminal organization, and right there I saw God's protection. I saw how God stepped in and showed His miracle, where we were agreeing, they were agreeing to what we are doing here, and they're saying that we are doing the good thing because we are serving their people here. And right now, as you guys seen, that we're building the orphanage, which I'm really thankful to God. I see that God's blessing, anointing, power and authority over that building. And I see how with your guys' help, with your guys' finances, labor, with your guys' prayer, this building is coming along. Soon we're gonna be able to take some kids over.
Wanted to say thank you to everybody that participated, everybody that donated, prayed for this project. It was very difficult at a moment because the trusses, when they were bought, they were built in United States and they were on the United States soil for almost a year. We were battling it to get it across to Mexico. And we had a lot of struggles, a lot of problems with the border where we would get the paperwork together, come there, and they would turn us around and say, look, you guys need a different stamp, you guys need a different paper. And whenever we would go back, get the right paperwork, come back to the border, and they wouldn't let us through again. And it's just been an ongoing battle. It seemed like every time we would get so close, we're all excited, about to announce that we're gonna cross the trusses, again another thing would happen. But through it all, we saw it was like a puzzle, that everything came together for good. We learned what we need for next time. Another stop that we had was with the metal roof, where we didn't have any finances. We had zero on the account, and we scheduled the group to come out to construct everything. And the day before the group arrived, the material arrived here. So God just provided completely the finances. God provided everything. It was a leap of faith.